The secret behind today. Every day is special, but sometimes we are too busy to notice the little things. We wake up, follow our routine, and forget to think about what makes the day unique. The secret behind today is not in doing something big, but in seeing the beauty in simple things. A smile from a friend, a nice walk in the sun, or a kind word can make today feel different. Even when the day feels normal, there is always something good waiting to happen. We just need to open our eyes, slow down, and enjoy what is already around us. Today is a chance to do better than yesterday and grow a little more. It gives us the opportunity to fix mistakes and learn something new about ourselves. We can try again, forgive someone, or take the first step toward a dream. Every small action we take today can build a better tomorrow. The secret is to stop waiting for the perfect moment and make this moment matter. If we do something positive today, we will feel proud when the day is over. Sometimes we think today is not important because it looks the same as other days. But each day is a gift, and it will never come again in exactly the same way. The people we meet, the words we hear, and the choices we make are all part of the story. We never know when a simple moment today will become a special memory tomorrow. That is why it is important to live today with purpose and attention. The secret behind today is that it holds many small miracles we often ignore. When the day ends, we can look back and see how we used our time and energy. Did we speak with kindness, show love, or take a moment to help someone? These small actions are what give meaning to our lives, one day at a time. The secret behind today is not about being perfect, but about being real and present. Even a quiet day has value when we live it with heart and awareness. So remember, today matters, and the secret is to live it fully, one moment at a time.